This video is a comprehensive manual to provide an understanding of utilization of NELOW system. The NELOW system, short for Never Lose Water, is an integrated system that utilizes artificial intelligence, IoT, and cloud technologies to enable total water management. The NELOW system offers 3 efficient water leak management approaches. The first approach is leak inspection. This stage involves a thorough inspection of water supply facilities such as water meters and valves within a target area using sonic GL, examining pipelines and infrastructure for potential issues. The second approach involves ground leak detection using sonic M1, which features high-precision dual sensors capable of detecting both high and low frequencies to pinpoint leak location regardless of the sizes. Finally, the last step would be monitoring leaks using sonic M2. Continuous real-time monitoring of sensor data ensures rapid response to emerging issues, minimizing water loss, and contributing to resource sustainability. To get started with NELOW system, open your smartphone's application store and search for NELOW. Open the app, tap Sign Up, choose your country's server, enter the provided customer code, your email, password, name, and contact details. Finally, agree to our terms of service and privacy policy, and upon approval by your manager or the system provider, your account will be activated. Now, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of collecting water leak data with the assistance of Sonic GL and Sonic M1 for leak inspection and ground detection on site field. Prepare Safe Vest, fully charged Sonic GL, and a mobile phone with NELOW app. Open NELOW app in tab, Leak Sound Collection button, to keep your collected water leak data organized for each step of your work. Create a dedicated workspace by tapping on the plus icon located in the bottom right corner. Then, add a title and save your workspace by clicking on the Save button in the top right side. Tab Map button of the dedicated workspace of the application. Tab Save button in the bottom right side. Turn on Sonic GL by pressing the button on the top. Connect a button is for Bluetooth connection between Sonic GL and the mobile application in use. Once you tap Connect button, pop-up of the device serial number will be shown in the screen. Check the serial number of the Sonic GL in use and tap the matching device serial number on the screen. Once the Sonic GL is connected to the phone, the serial number and the battery charge level will appear on the screen. Tap GIS button to make GIS data appear on the map. Place the green pin in the map on the target facility GIS data. Stand nearby the target facility and open the lid of the facility and have Sonic GL sensor can touch the metal part of the facility directly. Tap Start button to record water leak sound data sensed by Sonic GL. Check the collected leak sound if there is no any noises. Tap Saves button for saving data. A circle will appear once it is saved. Please re-access to the workspace to check the AI analysis after water leak sound collection. After inspecting the facilities for leaks, the area with suspected leaks can be narrowed down for ground detection. After leak inspection, Suspicious leak areas will be verified. Sonic M1 is for ground leak detection for pinpoint leaks. Go to Leak Sound Collection menu. Create workspace for ground detection or final leak detection to distinguish data from facility data. Go to Map and tap GIS button. Check the pipeline location of the leak suspicious area. Collect leak data on the ground right above the pipeline GIS data appearing on the map. When using Sonic M1 for pinpoint detection, collect data at 0.5 meter intervals on the ground directly above the pipeline. Please try to avoid noises when collecting water leak sound on site. Leak sounds typically exhibit a characteristic wave energy of 1.0 or higher in the 300 to 500 Hz band. If the collected sound does not meet these criteria or if there is suspicion of a leak, please repeat the data collection process 2 to 3 more times. Please always wear proper clothing while on site. Before collecting leak sound, consistently ensure your surroundings are safe. Follow rules and precautions from training material and follow manager's directions. Make sure you're always kind when explaining your work to the local residents. Sonic M2 is a remote data transmitting device capable of measuring water pressure, water flow, and water leak sound data. By strategically installing Sonic M2 at key locations, the collected data can be transmitted to the NELOW server for long-term monitoring changes indicative of water supply system leaks. Let's install Sonic M2 in the water meter. Open the water meter and close the water meter valve before installing the product. Use a wrench or driver to separate the straight pipe. Securely attach the T-shaped pipe to the separated section. Connect the pressure sensor to the top of the T-shaped pipe. Open the T-shaped pipe to inspect for any potential leaks from joint parts of the pressure sensor. Connect the pressure sensor to the device. The M2 power will switch on automatically. Position the device in the available space within the facility. Finally, close the water meter facility lid. Before work registration of the installed Sonic M2 to calculate the hydraulic head for leak monitoring, it is essential to have the accurate elevation value of the installation site. The elevation value can be measured using a GPS antenna. The measured value will be applied to the system when registering Sonic M2 device to the NELOW system. Measure the elevation from the M2 pressure sensor to the top of the antenna, minus the height from the end of the Sonic M2 pressure sensor to the top of the GPS antenna from the elevation value measured by the GPS antenna. After installation Sonic M2 device and measuring elevation, open NELOW app. Select water pressure in NELOW under category of monitoring. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner for point registration. Under device information, select the device with the same serial number as the installed M2. In the point information section, enter the installation point's name in the name column. Tab Location Setting button. Tab GIS button to view the facility location on the map. Place the green pointer on the device installed facility in the map. Tab Register button in the top right side. Input the elevation value measured earlier. Set measure mode, measure interval time, transmit interval time. 10 minutes of measure interval time and 1 hour of data transmit interval time is recommended. Save the settings. To finish the point registration, tab Save. You'll find communication and battery status information for the installed Sonic M2 in the monitoring list. You have now completed the guide on how to use the NELOW system. Should you have any further inquiry, please do not hesitate to contact us. Water Intelligent Platform, WePlat. Thank you.